Did you know that email marketing boasts an average ROI of $42 for every $1 spent? In today's video, we're going to reveal the secrets to not just getting your emails delivered, but ensuring they're actually read and acted upon. Stick around to uncover the secrets that will revolutionize your cold emailing strategy. Now, let's put theory into practice with a demonstration of InboxPlus, our cutting-edge email capture solution. With its intelligent features and seamless integration, InboxPlus makes it effortless to implement the strategies on how to literally get people read your emails.
So once you are in this system, you get an access to this Google Sheet. And this Google Sheet will consist of unique formulas in each and every cell. These formulas will help you out in sending dynamic emails with different subject lines, different offer lines, different reach lines to everyone available in the list. This will help you out in sending unique emails to everyone and stay out of spam. This way, you could send up to 1,500 emails every day. Not just that, you could even track your emails and understand what is the status of those emails. You could understand how many people are opening the emails, how many people are clicking on the emails, and how many people are responding to your emails. And also, in future, if you want to follow up with these people who have opened your emails or clicked on them, you could simply go ahead and follow up with them by sending another unique email, which will have a different subject line and different description. This Google Sheet consists of 3 important tabs. List, where you have the unique formulas in each cell. Widget, where each cell will act as a dynamic email template. You could go ahead and edit and write different templates in here. We will show you how you could do that in the next coming sessions. Leads is where you have your email list imported. You could go ahead and simply click on import and choose any CSV file you have and upload it here. Once you do that, your list will pre-populate all the emails, subject lines or greeting lines over here so that you could send hundreds of emails every day.
Ready to supercharge your email marketing? Download our InboxPlus blueprint for step-by-step instructions on implementing these strategies and unlocking the full potential of your email campaigns. Click the link in the description to get started.